This is JC DeLass with this week's Fidelis Care Coach's Corner, and joined this week by Joe Reina in his 15th season as head baseball coach at the University of Rochester. Joe, let's start out by talking about some of the challenges you have coaching a baseball team at this level in college.
I think you first start with the academics. The University of Rochester is one of the top academic schools of the country. So you have some challenges with finding the type of player that fits both the baseball needs as well as the academic needs. So first we start with the academics, looking at transcripts, things to that nature, test scores, and then you look at, do they fit into your program, the style of play that you're accustomed to playing and that you want to continue to play.
You talked about recruiting. I look at your roster and I see 10 different states represented. Yeah. It really shows the University of Rochester, you go anywhere to find kids.
And we really changed that about 6 years ago. My former assistant and I sat down and really looked at, the diversity of our undergraduate enrollment, the states represented, and really the reputation that it has, between the East Coast, Midwest, and West Coast, and decided to really capitalize on that. So we started to venture not only, down the eastern seaboard into the southeast, but also southwest and the west coast. So it's provided us with some very, very talented players that do get acclimated to the snow and the cold. But for some of them, it's the first time they've ever seen snow. So it's pretty unique in that.
For you personally, who has been your coaching mentor, the person you've learned the most from?
I would have to say Dave Chamberlain, the former coach at Monroe Community College, who I had the 2 years of the honor of playing for 2 years. I think a lot of the things that he provided me was how to be a leader, accountable for your actions, the bigger picture stuff, not only the baseball things, but he was really the guy that, to be honest, for an 18, 19-year-old young man, you either did it or you didn't do it. And there was no gray. So a lot of the things that he's taught me with discipline, accountability, we do the same thing here at Rochester.
Live, I'll be calling balls and strikes. Coach Bezik's going to be our third base coach. All right, any questions, anything? Okay, cell phones away. I know it's March Madness. Who cares? Let's focus on getting better today. All right, let's go. Come on, boys. Let's go now.
Well, let's have a good day. Let's go. Jackets on 3. 1, 2, 3. Jackets! Team 1 sitting first.
As a coach at the University of Rochester, this is really a coaching community, isn't it? I mean, you guys all really support each other right across the board, no matter what sport.
You have a lot of great young ladies and young men that you can look at and learn a lot of different things from. We talk about recruiting, and there's different philosophies and different things that each coach does that you kind of sit back and say, hey, that's a great idea. I'm going to try that. But you'll notice you can walk, floor to floor. Every door is open. It doesn't take much to just knock in, pull up a chair, and you can, talk about ideas, the types of teams that you have, and how you really balance those dynamics between a younger team versus an older team, or if you have that mixture. Here you've got some great guys from Scott Green, Luke Flakertzy, Jim Scheibel. Wendy Andreatta has done a great job with our field hockey team. So there's really a community, like you said, that's I don't think you find it a lot of places.
Thanks for joining us, Coach Reina.
Not a problem.
And thank you for watching this week's Fidelis Care Coach's Corner.